This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to show you the Pool Blaster Max Li, second generation by WaterTech. And this is a cordless, rechargeable, battery-operated vacuum for your pool and spa. And included is the owner manual and a quick start guide. You also have the charging cable, and it also has a European plug adapter. And you have the body of the cleaner itself. You have the multi-layer debris bag. You can also get a sand silt bag for the cleaner, sold separately. You have the nose cone, and you may notice that the second generation nose cone has a larger opening for debris. This will allow larger leaf debris to pass through. Then you have this new 10-inch vacuum head, and on the bottom you can see it has these brushes, and it also has these new round wheels to help it maneuver on the bottom much faster and easier. And the new 10-inch vacuum head will give you a wider cleaning path. And you can see the assembly was very easy. And on the back is the charging port and the on-off button. And the battery in the cleaner is rated to run for 1 full hour. And one more thing to note, it has this aluminum pole connector here at the bottom that runs through the body, making it really strong and durable. And it easily connects any telescoping pool pole. Let me show you the debris that I picked up here. You can see it does a great job with dirt as well as leaf debris. You can see this is a very powerful cordless battery operated vacuum. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, The Bottom Feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.